This has got to be like my third time recording this. This is my project 4, locomotion. You can see there's a bunch of teleporty objects here. And Unity's frozen. Lovely. There we go. I'm gonna just hit play. Nothing much else I can do other than explain it as I go along, so. Yeah. And of course, it's gonna take absolutely forever to actually start playing this, so enjoy the silence. There we go. Still gonna take a while. Alrighty. There we go. Alrighty. Position these proper. What the hell am I doing? Come on. There we go. Alrighty. So this is in order from left to right. It's continuous motion, teleportation, and scripted motion. So, yeah, my script's a little broken for that, but no lerping. But and for whatever reason, it's not showing up over here. But I can assure you, it's in the scene just fine. It just, yeah, it just teleported there. You can see it. So there's that. Just it. Now let's go to the teleportation one. Don't know why it's not lighting up now. So I'm going to look over here. See, this is teleportation. These are pretty much the exact same objects that I used for all the other ones. All the other ones over there, at least, like in the start room. Let's hop over here. Come on. You can see the spheres use the XR simple interactable to change the position. Lord, to change the position of the XR origin. So. And of course, it's too far. Nope. Yeah, the script teleports by getting the Z and Y position of an object or a specified position that you can do in the editor, and also show that off in just a bit. So let's go to the last one. I'm pretty sure you already understand what's going on here, but for completeness' sake, it also uses a custom property or property drawer to disable certain properties in the editor, or in the inspector rather. And that depends on the enum value, and I'll show that off in just a second as well. Get back to the main room. Let's reset ourselves. Probably should not have reset the position on those. Anyway, it's not that difficult to change. Alrighty, let's go back to the scripted one. Or let's go to the scripted one, not back to it. So this one's a bit more complex to explain. It uses lerp and a couple of other things to, move the player. And it also stops for like 5 seconds or so in the each position. So just to get time to read. And yeah, it stops the player from moving. And it also uses a custom property jar. So there's all that. And yeah, you can see I'm moving here. So let's hop out of there. Let's go to the scripted one, which has the property stuff in it. So here you can see the teleporter script. You can see it uses that enum type deal to determine what to enable and disable. So you can see here, if I have an object selected, it completely disables teleport point, because that is the vector 3 that you want to teleport to. And obviously, if you're using an object, you don't need to teleport to a vector 3. So, and likewise with position, it disables these last two if you are using that. So there's also offset down here, just in case you don't want to use one game object. You can just use, well, you can use the game object in reference to, and then offset rather. This is the third time recording this. I'm not getting any of this right, so yeah. And pretty much the same thing down here. The lerp duration is completely disabled on instant because instant does not use a lerp or linear interpolation. But you can see right here, since it's using lerp, it's used rather. And wait duration is not disabled, because if you want to have a lerp set for a specific time frame and then still have the player stay in the position and not want them to move, it'll just allow you to. And what else here? Rotate. You can either rotate to an object, which is what I do, because I don't want to use a random position. That's just too much to deal with. Yeah, you're able to, so. I don't really know if I'm supposed to show off code in this, but I really don't want to, because it's, frankly, it's a bit sloppy, but it works, so there's that. It's pretty much all I have, in all honesty. Yeah, there's not much else to show here, so that's all I'll show, I guess.